Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry Television. We are glad to have you here today.
Start.
Good morning. My name is Binta Nyako. I'm a judge of the Federal High Court in Nigeria. I was the past president of the National Association of Women Judges in Nigeria. I'm currently the president-elect of the International Association of Women Judges. The 10th of March was declared last year by the United Nations as a day of women judges. We are very happy to celebrate such a day. I send my salutations to the National Association in Nigeria and the International Association of Women Judges. I just wish to say that being a judge is not rocket science. It just takes a lot of hard work, dedication, knowledge of the law, and then be brave. No matter whose ox is God, the law is the law, and then you must apply it as it is. And to be a woman judge, a female judge in a place like my country and my region in particular is not the easiest thing, but if you stand your grounds and know your onions, as the saying goes, then you have the respect of all your colleagues as well. I'm proud of all the women judges in Nigeria. I'm proud of the ones in the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, and in all the various high courts in Nigeria. I salute you on this important day and wish you the best and more boost to your elbows. And I pray that we all stand as models to the country and to other women in the law, and then that will now be a source of elevating and bringing in more women to the bench. Thank you and have a blessed day.
He did something in my case. I accused him. He was functions official. I asked him to accuse himself. Why did the chief judge not insist I must hear it? He left my case.
Okay, listen. If anybody is not happy with this, which is true, then you need to go and appeal.
No, I cannot. Because I have a court order. I have a court order. You have accused yourself. I have a court order. Anybody who disagrees with this order of court, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You are functions official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. A woman here cannot force this court to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, not the kind of said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adema from my case. I did not insist Adema must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. A woman should do the right thing. A chairman of the board of managers constitution is impropriety. Nowhere in the world such nonsense come. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're proceeding a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is a court of law. This is a shrine to injustice. And I will not subject myself to it. You stand recused and you must take my case. You cannot try me. This man is not paying attention. There is an order of recusal, and he's a senior advocate, for goodness sake. There's an order of recusal. Is that not the rule of law? The law says if you disagree with this, you go and appeal. You are a grown-up man. Because of 300 million, you're behaving like a child. Go and appeal. Because of money. Because of money they're paying you from ABF surface, you are here standing and smoking evil. Because of money. A grown-up man like you, you say you have to want to behave like a man of honor. The rule of law says you go and appeal. His Lordship Binta Nyako will not try my case. Not on this planet Earth, I'm telling you that now. So stop wasting your time.
So that I said, the view of the past that the defendant has indicated that he will not make a formal application. I advise that the Lordship was extremely day for hearing.
You are not well. You are not well. I'm telling you, this God Almighty not well. This is an order of court. An order of court says Justice Binta Nyako is recused. An order of court. Order she made as an order. The same Chief Justice writing the stupid memo he's writing. I recused him. He was functions official. He sat on appeal. I took him to NJC. I recused he doesn't have it. Give him an order of court. It's an order of court. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. An order, give him, he doesn't have it. It's an order of court.
I take your permission.
It's an order of court.
I take your permission to address you.
Thank you.
But let me tell the defendants that in every sin land, there's need for wisdom. And wisdom is very important in this matter.
And telling lies.
It is not right for you to be insulting the teacher.
If you insult yourself, I will insult you. If you have no respect for yourself, I will insult you. Because you people are telling the law, when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu, you turn the law upside down. The law says one thing. If the law says this paper is white, when I go to court, they say it's black. When I say it's black, they say it's white. Is that law? I'm asking you, a senior advocate of Nigeria, is that law? Is the memo from Chief Judge, is memo from Chief Judge sufficient to set aside a court order? The answer is no. Why do you want to change the law in my own case? His Lordship, Justice Binta Nyako, stand recused in my case. Cannot try me. Why don't you get it? Giving you a definite date for trial so you can do your mathematics you always do. People without shame. I have here before me for the benefit of Chief Awomolo because it seems he doesn't know the law. So I will tell him, this is national judicial policy of this country. Please give them a copy each. National judicial policy of Nigeria. National judicial policy. I will tell you what it says. Because you don't know, I will tell you. Talking about memo from the Chief Judge of the High Court. Judicial policy of Nigeria. 1C. I'm reading. Verbatim. In the performance of judicial functions, the judge is subject only to the law and must only consider the law. The rule of law in every common law jurisdiction in the world is that once an order of court is entered, the only way to set it aside is by going on appeal. That's the rule of law. You're a senior advocate, you don't know. I will go to see. A judge must not take or attempt to take orders or instructions of any kind from anyone, even the chief judge, from anybody that may influence his decisions in the performance of judicial function. It means that his lordship, having entered an order of court, a decision between myself and her.
I just wish to say that being a judge is not rocket science. It just takes a lot of hard work, dedication, knowledge of the law, and then be brave. No matter whose ox is God, the law is the law, and then you must apply it as it is. And to be a
Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.